Hi, in this part I continue with the options of this tool, edit path by nodes, and we reach this one, join selected nodes. I'll select these two and I'll click on it and you see the effect. It deleted the two nodes and created one in the middle. If I undo that and redo it, you'll see the effect. Now the next option here will break path at selected nodes. So let's select these two again and click on that. And now if I click away and grab this, you see the effect, and I'm going to change the color, and I have this option on, show path outline, and you see here that this one is a segment. I can control it, move it, but here we don't have a segment. So I need to select these two nodes and use the next option here to join selected end nodes with a new segment. And you see I created a new segment here, and let's say I select this segment and use the next option here, which will delete segment between two non-endpoint nodes, and you see how this works. Now if I click here on this one and use the option, this will remove the entire thing because we have only two nodes. Now let's undo all that, and we reach to these options here, which are the different node types and probably the most confusing options of this tool. Now if you mouse over here, you see down here that this node is smooth. By default all of them are smooth, you can see that, and this is the option for the smooth node. Now when we have a smooth node selected and we have these handles here that we can grab and control, you see how these handles behave. Let's undo that. Now this corner here, if I make this node corner, you see now how this behaves. I'm affecting only this side, I'm not affecting the other handle or the other segment here. Let's undo that. Now if I make it symmetric, let's click on this, you'll see how I'm affecting both sides, both segments, and also this handle too moves with this one. Let's undo that. And of course the last one here is auto smooth. If you click on that, you see how this affects our node. Let's undo that. So these options here will allow you to gain control over exactly what you're doing, what kind of shape you want to create, and you can create pretty much any shape from anything. Right now I can use this circle, add different nodes, adjust them to create absolutely any shape that I want. So I recommend you experiment a little, spend some time on these options to gain control of them, and I'll continue with the rest of the options in the next episode.